Start off, I'm gonna try to use my little clips. Bro, I've been having these for a while, but I never even put them on when I do my makeup, really, because I always forget. So today I am going to the ESLABON ARMADO concert. It's here in my town. So today is Friday. It's my birthday weekend. My birthday was June 14th. But anyways, yeah, this week it was a good week. So I'm gonna be talking to you guys about my birthday and all the things that I had planned this week. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit and everything at the end when I'm all ready. Right now it is 6:39. The baile starts at 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna get all ready. We're gonna pregame before, and then we're gonna go to the baile. So I was thinking for my outfit, I was gonna wear like my botas. Well, I was contemplating. I didn't know if I wanted to wear my botas or tacones. I can never last in tacones ever. So then I'm like, I'm just not gonna wear them anymore. You know, what's the point in wearing them like half the night? I don't know. It's been like that, dude. It's like, so I used to go to hella like jaripeos, bailes, quinces, and all the time when I would wear the tacones, I never could last. And I'm like, oh, maybe I have like flat feet or something. But I don't think I have flat feet, so I don't think that's a problem. I just think that like heels are so uncomfortable. I don't know if anybody could really last the whole night. But oh, that shit is so uncomfortable, and I can never do it ever. But yeah, I wanted to wear either botas or tacones, and I think I'm gonna try it on my new tacones. Like, I've had them for a while, but like I said, I just don't wear them. Yeah, I'm really excited. Low-key, I was debating if I should like pregame on here a little bit too, because I have a bunch of Seagrams, bro. That is my Seagrams and cranberry vodka. That's my go-to. That's literally the only thing I really like to drink, only because like it depends on the bar and like the place that you go to, because sometimes they make it hella strong. I don't know if it's a liquor or how they make it. I do not like a strong mixed drink. Like, that's why honestly, I'd rather make my own mixed drink. I just know how it's gonna be, you know. I don't like them strong. Another thing is, because I like mixed drinks, I get super bloated, and I hate that. I don't know if it's like that for other people, but for me, I get hella bloated. So like with Seagrams, like I don't know if it's my stomach too, but like I could drink 2 Seagrams and then I'll get like bloated as fuck, and I'm like, yeah, no quiero tomar. So I don't know. And then, so my go-tos are cranberry vodka, and if I'm at the bar, I like Long Islands, just because those are like fruity drinks. También for shots, my go-to is Casamigos. Yeah, that's usually, and cherry bombs. Those are like, if you see me drinking, that's probably the only thing that I'd be drinking, to be honest. I remember when I was like 19 and like we'd go out and stuff. Well, not like out, but you know, like house parties, bonfires and all that stuff. Like, the only thing I would be drinking was Bucana. That was like my shit at that time. I think I'm gonna drink a little Seagram. My makeup honestly hasn't been taking such a long time because I have the eyelash extensions on, so it just cuts my makeup time like literally in half. Literally. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna start right now. So Monday I worked. Tuesday I got my eyelashes done, my nails done. So it's a little hard to see. Well, I mean, obviously you could see the color, but the pointer finger, it's like white, and then it has those little like 2K hearts with the same kind of blue, so that's why it's really hard to see the blue. But they're so cute. And then it's like a glitter one, but that's that. I got my lashes done, my fingernails done, and then I got my toes done. So I got literally the same kind of blue, and I got acrylic toes. So I did that. Bro, that shit was fucking expensive. I'm like, it was like 200. It was maybe like more than $200 with the tips and everything. I I was debating if I even wanted to do all that, because I'm like, damn, that's like expensive, dude. But I'm like, try to justify it, because I was like, oh, it's my birthday, you know, God, I never do anything like this, so like I never go all out. Then Wednesday was my birthday. We went out to the bar, and then I was like, I went to the bar last year, so I wanted to do something a little different, investigate like going to do an activity. So we went to the bar, and then I was like, let's go get some fish bowls at Anduzzi's. So we went to Anduzzi's for some fish bowls. For one fish bowl, it was me and then my two friends. Us three, like, we literally shared the fish bowl because it was so big. I was like, I don't even think I would ever be able to drink it by myself. I mean, I could, but it would probably take a few hours. Just because it was like big. That shit was like big fish bowl. It had cranberry, orange juice, and then Malibu. But that was so good. Like I said, I love mixed drinks. And that was really good. And we shared it. It didn't take us that long to drink. So we did that, and then the next day I didn't want to work. I didn't know if I was gonna be cruda or not, and I remember last year I worked right after my birthday, and I had to wake up at like 7 in the morning. I did pick up a shift because, like I said, they didn't put me to work. And then Friday, which is today, was the baile. That's what I had planned. And then Saturday I'm supposed to have like a comida at my mom's house. Like every year I always like request the food and she'll make it. So we're supposed to have a comida. And then Sunday is Father's Day, the 18th. And like I said, that's the day of the jaripeo. And I was debating if I should go, but I kind of feel bad. So we just decided on the ESLABON concert. So that is my week, all planned. I guess it's not like too much, but like I said, like I have a lot going on. So usually I don't drink the blue one just because I don't really like it. Right now I'm drinking it and it tastes a lot like coconut. I don't really like coconut taste. That's usually why I don't like drink pina coladas and all that stuff, because I don't really like coconut taste. I love the smell, like the fragrance, but I don't like the taste. Coconut, I don't know, like since I was little I don't like the taste. I cut my beauty blender in half like this because this always gets crusty, and then like the tip of it always gets crusty. But if you cut it, like you get like a fresh beauty blender. And so I cut it. It's kind of hard to get into some places. Honestly, this makeup didn't even take that long, bro. I probably did it. I did it in like 20 minutes. And I'm about to be done. I just need to set my face type stuff. So this is the blush palette that I use. This is a BH Cosmetics one. And this one is so nice. It has like all the blushes. Like you don't really need those like little individual blushes, just because this one has like all the colors. So I've been using a lot of blush lately. Just feel like you could mix them and they're just all so good. Usually I only use like, the camera doesn't really do it justice, but like this one, and this one. Maybe all these 4. I only use these ones. When I do my makeup, I try not to get my, like with the setting spray, I try not to get my lashes wet, because I read the ingredients and it has oil of some sort in it. So I try not to get my lashes wet, so I always fucking cover my face. And that is my attempt of trying not to get my lashes wet. But yeah, I've been pretty consistent at getting my lashes done, bro. I think it's been like 3 weeks. No, 3 months. 3 months. Getting them consistently done. I think I'm gonna take a break though, because like I said, I don't know, it just like that stuff is expensive. The lashes every week, every 2 weeks. Every check, it just gets expensive. And I don't know, like I'm just thinking about it. So lately I've been keeping track, so in my notes I'll put like I'll put the price of how much it was, so I could keep track, because like when I pay with cash I can never ever keep track. Usually I swipe my card, and then like if I'm like, oh, I don't have any money, then I'll like look at what I've spent it on. But with cash, like if it's gone, it's gone. So I've been trying to keep up with my cash payments. I'm also drinking water at the same time, so I don't feel sick later. But yeah, that is my this is my makeup. I'm all done with my makeup. Next is my hair, and then my outfit. So now I'm gonna do my hair. I just showered before I did all of this. I showered maybe a few hours ago. It's because I like to wash my hair every day. I know it's not good for you, but I literally drives me crazy if I do not wash my hair. And so now it feels like nice and soft and dry, so it's good for me to get ready. So this is like my first time doing my hair with you guys as well. It's because usually I never have enough time for anything. I don't have time to get ready. I'm always in a rush when I have to get ready, and I hate it, dude. Today I started early and I have enough time. It's because usually, like I said, I'm always behind. But with the nails, dude, I haven't got nails done in a year. Like, literally, it's been a year. Yeah, like a year ago. And so I'm like still getting used to the nails. And when I have the nails on, low-key, everything takes me like twice the amount of time that I usually would. So this is a little cute thingy I got with one of my planchas. I threw it away now, but it's cool to like do straighten your hair with. But usually my hair does not take me long at all. I have a lot of hair, but usually it only takes like 15 minutes. Even when it was short, it really didn't take that much time. It's because it's like, I have thick hair, but it's not like super thick. Like, I don't know, it's just like a lot of hair. But it really doesn't take me that long at all. And I split it into sections. I do the bottom half, and then I do 2 sides on the top, which I feel like that's low-key what helps me get it done so fast. Yeah, I don't think I told you guys what I requested. So for my comida that I'm gonna get from my mom, I requested tacos. That's literally my favorite thing all the time to request. It's either tacos, yeah, that's it. Because I like how my mom makes the tacos. And then like past years, I've requested my birthday dinner. My sister made it because my sister knows how to make crab boil. Okay, so I just finished getting ready. I'm gonna show you guys my full outfit. Okay, so that was my outfit, and this is the rest of the vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.